So here are my other plant boxes, you guys. I moved the taller plants in the back area, and I have the smaller plants in the front, the shorter rosettes. So a lot of here are getting a lot of sunlight, and also it got rained on, and look at all the dust that all over on these leaves are from the rain and the rocks splattering all over them. I covered them actually during the cold nights and the hard rain that we have. I covered them with tarp, and then last 2 days ago when it rained, I just didn't care and didn't cover them because it wasn't that cold. So I just leave it open, and here you go. They got all wet and it looked good. Actually, they're not rotten. I was so afraid when I opened the tarp and what they all look like, because they were covered for many days. So they are actually looking okay. And here's my other aeonium. It was in a terracotta pot, but then it didn't look good, so I moved that in here. So compared to my other aeonium that gotten so big, this one is trying to survive because I don't know, maybe not so happy when I bought it, and then when I moved it to the pot, it looked not happy, and then I moved it here and it looked a little bit better. I thought that it would die, but it did not, so that's a good thing though. And here is my other plants here, and in the back too, I moved them all up, and there's more in the front here. And also this one has babies and they're growing bigger. They're bigger. This is the Lilacina, and here is Polydonis, I believe. And there's another one that I didn't know what they're called. Here's more here, and I moved the other stuff in the back too, the taller ones. And then look at this one. That's a pretty one. Yeah, I love this guy. It looks so pretty. It looked like a rose on the top. It was looking very vibrant before the winter, and I covered them all up, and then I opened the tarp, and this is what it looked like now. Kind of getting dark, but maybe it will just needing more sunlight and will just revive and have a vibrant color again. So, and here's another one here. So this side of the plant box is looking good. That's the update on these guys here, and I'm gonna move on to the next plant box that I have. I have this ponytail palm. I got this from my mother-in-law, and I moved them into this planter. And then I just uncovered this guy too, just like the other plants, and this is what I see. Is that a weed growing? I'm not gonna pull this out because who knows if that's a plant growing or a vegetable, whatever that is. I'm just gonna wait and see what this look like, but I'm gonna leave it there for now. But these are the two other succulents that I don't know what they are called. If you guys know, please let me know what they are, because I just got these plants and I don't know what they are called. And I added my donkey's tail in here, bull's tail, and my mother-in-law gave me these trails. They're so cute, and I just put them in there. And I have the string of bananas too, right here. The string of bananas right there. And more of these plants I added, and some in the back right here. So I'm just gonna put whatever I could put in the side here, the way it'll just hang down later on, because it's a taller planter that I have. Now let's move on to my other plant box. Here is another type of kalanchoe that I don't know the name, but look at the flower, it's so pretty. Look at that, it's growing. Look at all over. This is the leaf that it has. And then, my, that flower is just so beautiful. I wonder what that one is called. Please let me know if you guys know this guy. So beautiful. And here's the update on this. This is also flowering. This tiger looking leaf. Wow, that's beautiful there. I can't wait to see what that one look like. And this one too, look at that. They all have flower buds coming up. Look at that. I have moved some of this in the front yard too, and they are looking great. So this one here, I have this other plant, the variegated one. I don't know what that one is called. Another one here. So I kind of rearrange them, you guys, and then while rearranging them, I found some plants that I didn't even know what they're called, and then just put them in here. And these are one of my propagated California sunsets. I moved them here in the front, and look at how big they are now. They're growing so big. I beheaded them so many times, probably 3 times of beheading, and they're still growing. That's what's good about California sunset, because they keep on growing. This one is not looking so good. I need to clean that up and fix it. And here's another one here. I don't see a bud, and there's more growing in the back here. Well, and here is the other plant that has a pink tinge to it here. It looks so pretty. I don't know what that one is called, but if you guys know, let me know. And here is my topsy-turvy in the pearl vine right here that I beheaded, and the rosettes are growing. There's 3 in them growing right here, and also the bigger one that was from a while ago in my other video is getting so big, and here's one growing in the back of it. That's so pretty. And then here is my copper spoon. I was gonna put my silver spoon next to this guy, but I didn't have the room to do it. I didn't want to move around the plant, so that's why the other one is in a terracotta pot. And look at this guy, this cactus from my father-in-law. It is getting so big. It's growing so tall now. And here is my other plant that has a mealybug or an ant. I don't know what that one is in there. I have to spray this with alcohol. This is just resulting from rain and all other things going on, and I think that's what my plant is getting right now. Look at that bug, is running. Ah, it's an ant. That means there's a mealybug somewhere here. So let's move on to the next one. This one is so pretty. See this? They have so many babies. Another beheaded one right here. That is so cool. And this one here too. I don't know what that one is called. This guy is so pretty, and it has a bud, a flower coming up. Look at that one. It's blooming, and I'm glad that it's on the side, because you know that means I could just cut out the bloom later, and then I still have my plant alive because they're so tiny and they're blooming. They're so cute. I can't believe how tiny they are, and it has a flower on them. And here's the other plants in the back here. And this fuzzy one is so cute. It was so little before, and now look at how much it has grown. There's more kalanchoes that I don't know its name. And other plants right here. More right here in the front. This jade plant is growing really good. Getting big, you guys. Look at that. Here's more of that, and here's one in my little pot right here. I can just push them around to hold the tarp before, and then I put the pot in front of them, because when it was covered with the tarp, the tarp were like flying from the wind, and then I had to put a clamp and pots on them. So here are my other plants that are growing here. Babies, lots more babies. They're so tiny. Look at the topsy-turvy. Almost dead, but still the babies are clinging onto it. Trying to live. My poor babies. Look at the little tiny topsy-turvies growing. Let me see if I can focus them. There. So tiny. Oh my goodness. I wonder if this will survive. The stem is dead, I think, and it's just clinging on it. So we'll see what happens next. So let's go here. that don't have a flower bud. This one here, that's pretty. This is a neon breaker. It's looking good. And here is the pretty one, another kalanchoe. This kalanchoe always gets this black stuff on it. Let's see, right there. I sprayed them so many times, then it goes away, and then it comes back, and it never ends, never ends. Look at that, all over. I need help, you guys. Please let me know what you guys do to yours. If you encounter a problem just like this, please let me know, because this is such a pretty plant and I don't wanna behead this thing. Not looking good at all. Look at all the leaves covered with old and stuff in there. Not good, guys. So, well, this is my update for now, and until next time, I'll see you next time. Bye bye.